Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So in today's video I am going to create a tent fold pop out card. So I've started with a 6 by 6 inch card blank. I've popped this lovely pink and silver foiled paper over the top, which I have taken from my Butterfly Kisses paper pad. I've also got this gorgeous pink and white wishing you everything wonderful topper to pop onto my card. It's got a lovely rose at the top, and then I've popped some little foam pads onto the back, and a little tip that I like to do is pop a little bit of glue onto my foam pads just to give it a little bit of wiggle room when I pop it onto my card, just in case I don't get it quite where I want it. And I'm just going to pop this down, I think just there, like so. Yep, I'm happy with that. Pop that down there. I am trying to use up my paper pads. I've had the Butterfly Kisses for absolutely ages. Okie dokie, so I'm just going to pop this to one side for the moment. Then I've taken this piece of it's pink on both sides, and I've taken this from my design pad Brights, which is 230 GSM. You get all of these colours in the design pad, and what I want to do with this piece of paper is first of all fold it in half, and then fold it in half like so. So we should have that. Okay, so next, once I folded my paper into the 4 squares, I've taken some papers again from my Butterfly Kisses paper pad, and I've cut those down to 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, and I'm just going to pop my last one down into the corner here. So I will line that up with the one above and the one opposite. Okay, so I've now got my 4 pieces of paper stuck down, and what I want to do next is I am just going to flip my paper over like so. So it's a bit like a diamond shape. So we've got our paper like so. So what we want to do is turn it over and pop this corner across to this corner like so. Okay. Fold and burnish it. So it's been folded and burnished. So now what we want to do is just flip it back around. So we've flipped it back across like that. And what we want to do is bring these 2 pieces that have got the fold lines running through the center, bring those up like so. Okay, fold them down, and then this will automatically come down like so. Give it a lovely fold and burnish. And then next what we are going to do, so we'll have our piece like so. I've brought my card back in, open the card, and first of all I want to pop a bit of glue on this side here, and I'm just going to lie that down, line it up into the center of the card, just bring it just under the score line just there like so. Line it up so it's more or less central into your card. Okay, and give that a good press down. Then we need to pop some glue onto this top piece here. Okie dokie, so I've popped my glue on and all I am, whoops, there's a pile of stuff just gone off my desk. And then all I'm going to do is just bring my card around like so, press it down. Okay, so I've stuck it all down now, and all that leaves me to do is just pop my card open and ta-da! There you go. There is my little tenfold pop-out card, and what I've done is on top of the butterflies I've popped a couple of little sentiments that says especially for you and with love, and I am just going to close that up like so. I've then got a little band, and all I want to do is I've cut it down to 1 inch wide, and I am just sticking it underneath the sentiment on the top of my card. So where I've got my foam pads and there are little gaps, I can just pop that under like so, and that is just going to keep my card closed beautifully. And then obviously when the recipient gets the card, they can just either slide that out, pull it out like so, open it up, and there you go. There is the lovely pop out there in the center. Okay. I think next time I make this, I am going to pop some papers inside. Do let me know what you think. Would you have left it plain on the inside, or would you have popped some papers? Please let me know in the comments below what you would do. And yeah, there is my finished card, and that's it. Yeah, I'll just pop that back like so. And yeah, there you go. There is my finished card. Thank you ever so much for joining me today. Would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and also leaving me a comment? I would really love to hear from you. And yeah, thanks ever so much for watching. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. Take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.